If you've lost access to your Fireflies.ai account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Fireflies.ai login page. Go to the Fireflies.ai website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Step 2. Select Account Recovery Options. Click on the Account Recovery option. Since you don't have your phone number, look for alternative recovery methods such as email recovery or security questions. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Fireflies.ai account. Make sure it is the same email you used when you created the account. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROP to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have access to the recovery link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After resetting, you should be able to log into your Fireflies.ai account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Fireflies.ai customer support for further assistance.